help your students visualize the shifting variables of a complex system in real time. Try building an interactive sandbox using Gemini Canvas to transform abstract theories into a live functional model. Imagine you want students to test how different inputs impact a model, such as the environmental factors that drive photosynthesis. In Gemini, select Canvas and then enter this prompt. Create a functional interactive model that simulates the rate of photosynthesis. Include adjustable sliders for light intensity, CO2 concentration, and temperature. Display a real-time line graph showing the resulting oxygen output. Notice how Gemini instantly writes the underlying code for the model before rendering the interactive dashboard in the Canvas side panel. This moves students from passive observation to active hypothesis testing, letting them see the immediate impact of limiting factors on a system. To extend this idea, why not ask Gemini to add a toggle for different light wavelengths to compare the efficiency of red versus green light? The simulator updates instantly, allowing students to toggle between spectrums and witness the drop in oxygen production when switching to green light. Modeling this live demonstrates how to use AI as a sophisticated thought partner for deep inquiry across any discipline. Okay, now it's your turn. Head over to gemini.google.com to get started.